A low-energy, full LED tomato crop is optimally grown when all aspects in the greenhouse are aligned. And that's what this trial is all about. Let's talk with Annemiek Prado how Ridder contributes.
In this trial we are growing full LED with very low heat input. That requires that all growth factors need to be optimized. How do you, as Ridder, contribute with your expertise to this?
Well, we contribute in this trial with the Ridder climate computer. This helps for an optimal plant growth climate, and from the root to the top of the plant we control everything. We fine-tune with generating data and analysis, everything for optimal control, for maximum efficiency. And of course we are connecting all data resources together in the climate computer and make sure we know the data output from, for instance, the Philips GrowWise control system and of course the Ridder DLI controller. Let's have a look how it works.
Yeah, interesting. What's very key in this trial is the use of air dehumidification. How do you contribute to the optimal use of this technology?
Well, it's important with active air dehumidification that growers know how they can optimize their set point controls. It's also very important to gain a lot of data and not only gaining data but also make it into valuable information for the grower. And we do that with a measuring box. So let me show you the measuring box. So these are some examples of sensors which helps us to control and measure the climate, and it gives us a better understanding of how active dehumidification works and what the bandwidths are. In this trial we also try to investigate which capacity is needed for growers to implement this technique.
Okay, looks good. Well, that's really connecting the theory to the practice, right?
Exactly.
What do you as Ridder focus on in the remaining time of this trial? Now springtime is coming up.
Well, our focus is fully on LED lighting strategy, and we do that with our DLI controller.
Okay. And looking at the results so far, what tips do you have for growers, what we learned here?
Well, most important is that measuring is knowing. So if you change something in LED, shading or water gifting, it's very important to look at it as a whole.
So it's really about connecting all the dots.
Yeah, it's really about having a holistic approach, and if you change something here, you have to look what it's doing over here. So It's very important to see the whole picture.
And what about the future of growing tomatoes with full LED and low heat input? How do you as Ridder look to that?
Well, what we see is that using LED lighting, shading and forced humidification, it will become more mainstream among traditional growers. And also technologies such as artificial intelligence will really enhance productivity, seasonality, but also more accurate forecasting in cultivation.
So growing will actually be more intensified than we do now.
Exactly, yeah.
If you want more information about this trial, please download the article here.